Hello and welcome to Labrats. I'm Nicole.
And I'm Drew, and today we turn the insanity up to 11 and see if our two teams can handle the forces. Let's meet them, Nick.
I think they can handle it. Okay, red team, Tia and Catherine. I'll start with you, Catherine. Now, you have climbed the highest mountain in Australia.
Yes.
Which is?
Mount Kosciuszko.
For all those people that didn't know that. Yes. And how was that climb? Was it fun?
Yes.
Who'd you do that with?
My family.
All your family got up there?
Not that high.
It's not that high. Well, see, there you go. Mount Kosciuszko doesn't even scare our red team. And Tia, you want to be a journalist?
Yes.
You done anything like that before? Any home video cams?
Oh yes, me and my brother like to video ourselves doing weird things.
Weird things?
Yes.
Care to explain these weird things?
Well, skateboard tricks and stuff like that.
Oh, so we've got a mountain climber, skateboard tricker. I'll just make that up. Blue team, what do you got for us?
Very talented red team. Blue team are equally talented. Now, Emma, what is so special about your cousins?
I have these two cousins and they're twins. And one of them's called Abby and she looks exactly like Hayley.
Yes.
And then the other is Grace and she looks exactly like me.
So while you're here right now, are they filling in for where you're supposed to be?
No, they're in grade 2.
Okay, well, but you could use them for that.
Yes.
That's a note there. Now, Hayley, you said that the one thing you couldn't live without is your mum. Why is that?
Because she does everything for me.
Well, your mum's not here today. How do you think you're going to fare?
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
You'll do all right without your mum?
Yep.
Okay, good. Let's hope so, because it's time to get into our first challenge, the Nano Challenge. For this challenge, the potato is now our enemy. Now, Labrats, I want to ask you, do you think I'm going to be able to pierce that potato with a straw? It's a simple little bendy straw. I like the way you think. Let's have a look here. 1, 2, 3, bam!
Nice work.
Easy as that. Yes, you were. You want to know why that works? When often we consider a straw to be something that's very, very weak because we can bend it all the time. But we're able to pierce the potato because we're using forces that act end to end, just like that. And in this direction, it's very, very strong. Sort of like when you sort of snap a ruler, you can snap it that way, but you can't snap the ruler pushing against the end, so it's easy to pierce the potato.
Okay, so are these guys making potato porcupines today?
Basically, yes. For your Nano Challenge, you are going potato hunting. The team that can pierce the potato with the most straws will earn themselves 10 points.
Our Labrats are ready and they have 30 seconds. Let's do this. On your marks, get set, go!
Go, Emma and Hayley, you can do this. Stab them in. Remember to stab nice and hard.
Beautiful. Got 3, 4.
Using that end direction will get them in. Okay, that's good.
I think I like it.
Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 so far for the blue team.
I've got
Come
so
on,
many in
Blues.
here that I can't count.
Okay.
We've got 10 seconds to go.
10 seconds. Remember,
No
jab
pressure,
nice and
girls.
hard using that end-to-end method.
And 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Stop the clock, team.
Wow. Take a look at our potato porcupines.
They are some spectacular porcupines. So let's do a quick count here. Emma, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That's 23 straws
all right.
for the blue team.
Can we do it? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 on that one.
Uh-oh.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
Oh, well, it looks like red team are the natural enemy of the French fry.
So red team, you've just picked yourselves up 10 points. Well done, girls.
Yeah.
Let's put those points on the scoreboard. We have the blue team on 0 points.
And leaping ahead, we have the red team on 10 points. Well done, girls.
That's right, but don't get too cocky, red team. There's plenty of opportunities for the blue team to grab some points in What Will Happen If.
I've got a beautiful piece of artwork here ready to show you.
That is amazing.
Isn't it stunning? It's absolutely stunning.
That would look great in your lounge room. A nice little frame.
Look. Took a long time to do this one. Wow. Seen it? Taking it in?
Yes.
Red team, your turn. Blows you away, doesn't it?
Beautiful, isn't it? She should paint more. She really should.
Now, this is the question that I have for you today. Do you think these lines here are the same length or are they different?
First of all, girls, I'm no art critic, so I don't know what to make of Nicole's painting. Do you like it?
I've seen better.
You've seen better, yeah, me too.
Are those lines the same or are they different?
The same. Yeah.
We're going the same?
Yeah.
You sure?
I think they're different, but Hayley, what do you think?
I think they're the same, but they're just in different areas. Like, yeah.
Well, what should we go with?
I'm not sure.
What do you think? We're going to have to make a decision here. We need you both to agree. Talk it over if you want.
I think the same, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any reason why you think the same?
Well, they're just in different positions.
For 5 points, both our teams have guessed that the lines are the same length. But me, I'm not too sure because they look different. Nicole, if I was sitting, I would be on the edge of my seat.
sure
So
would
please,
be.
show us
All right.
the length of these lines.
This yellow card.
Okay, so that's the same length
That's
as the top one.
the top line.
Yep.
So let's see if it's the same as the bottom one. Slide it down.
It is.
It is the same.
But first of all, congratulations to both our teams.
Well
5
done.
points. But looking at that from the front, they look different to
They
me.
do look really different. And the cool thing about this illusion is that it only fools people that have grown up in environments with lots of rectangular buildings, like ours.
Okay.
However, Zulus, on the other hand, who live in circular huts, would be less likely to be fooled by this.
Because they don't see sort of these straight lines all the time.
That's exactly right. So
Wow.
we're getting fooled this time.
Well, our teams weren't fooled. It's 5 points for the both of them. Our teams won't be fooled by tricks when going for points. We have the blue team now on 5 points.
And still out in the lead is the red team with 15 points. Well done, girls. But don't despair, Drew, because there's plenty more opportunities coming up. So find out what other sticky situations our Labrats get themselves into.
Who will be the first team to make it through the labyrinth, complete the rat race, earn the ultimate 30 points, and get cheesed? Will it be blue?
Oh, will it be red? Ah!
Hang around to find out.
It's all happening here on Labrats with our next challenge looking like Drew is going to play the bongos.
Oh, I don't have a lot of skill in that area, Nick, but I am going to do something very impressive, okay? You Labrats ready? Yep. Okay, Nick, I'm going to give you some eggs right now.
Carries eggs in their pockets.
I do. You never know when you're going to need eggs out of your pockets, okay? Your mum never taught you that while growing up?
Sorry.
No? Okay, I'll get you to stand over that way. I'm going to attempt to catch those raw eggs that you're lobbing at me using only the rubber on top of this container.
Are you sure you could do this?
Well, we're about to find out.
I guess so.
Okay, ready? Okay, so lob one up for me. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, here we go. Ah! Caught! You guys impressed? Please, round of applause
I
if you
think
will.
so. He needs a round of applause.
Okay. What happens is when Nick lobs the egg at me, okay, if I were to take it, let me show you. Let me demonstrate. I want you to lob that egg back at me, but this time I'm going to try and catch it really quickly.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Go. Oh, I'll try and catch that.
Oh.
That is not good because if I try and catch it quickly, it takes a large force, and that large force stretches the rubber and makes it act like a trampoline, okay, which
Brings it up.
sends the egg off. But if I then try and catch the egg slowly, you ready? Let's go again.
Oh.
Here we go. I try and catch it nice and slowly. Oh, it takes less force, the rubber doesn't stretch, and the egg doesn't bounce off and break. Labrats, the team that can catch the most eggs in 1 minute scores themselves 15 points.
Okay, but we only need one team doing this at a time, so what are we going to do with the other team so they don't have a bit of a sneak?
Well, we could shrink them down with our shrink rate of rat size so that they can't look at the other team doing their thing.
That sounds like a good idea, and you guys are in the lead, so you get to choose. Do you want to have a go at this first? Would you like to be shrunk by the shrinking ray gun?
Shrunk.
Yep.
Please.
You want to be shrunk?
Yeah.
Shrunk.
All right, let's do this. Red team are going to get shrunk.
The red team brave enough to put themselves down to be shrunk first. Girls, how are you feeling now you're standing right there?
Bit nervous.
Yep.
Ever been?
These ray guns don't look too safe.
No, they're not terribly safe. Sometimes, you know, we can't reverse the process.
Yeah, accidents happen.
They do. Let's get the process underway. So, red team, how are you feeling?
Small.
Small, you're looking pretty small. Okay, to make sure you're safe, I'm just going to get Nicole to place this cage over you there.
Cage.
There we are, safe and sound. Red team, are you cat people or dog people?
Dog people.
Oh, this isn't going to make you terribly happy. Say hello to your guard, Kitty. Good luck down there, red team, and good luck to the blue team, who are now taking on the Method Madness. How are you going to tackle this? Who's going to throw? Who's going to catch?
I'm going to throw and Hayley's going to catch.
Any reason why you chose to go in that order?
Not really.
No.
No? You're not a better thrower? You're not a better catcher?
No.
No.
No? It's just how it's going to work out.
Yeah.
You're pretty chilled. I don't think you've got too much of a problem there. Hayley and Emma have 1 minute to catch the most eggs and score the points or become a chicken's worst nightmare. Blue team, are we ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes? Your time starts now. Oh! Right, here we go. Oh, broken eggs. Remember how I caught them earlier? Try and use that method. Oh, yes, nice catch. Very nice. Good work, Hayley. That's 2. We've got the method sorted out now. Oh, that's it. Oh, no! Oh, 30 seconds left. Remember, be careful when placing them in, you might lose it. Oh, very nice. Oh. Not long. Come on, try and focus, blue team. 10 seconds left. Here we go. Keep those eggs flying. You're not done yet. Oh, no. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is time. Well done, blue team. Very nice indeed. You got the technique by the end there. See how many eggs they have in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's time to unshrink the red team.
We don't want scrambled eggs on the floor, do we? So how are we going to make this work for us?
I don't know.
I think we're going to have to try and catch it slow.
Yeah. Yeah. As Drew said.
As Drew said. Do you believe what Drew says?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's always good. Girls, you've got 1 minute. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
so close.
Oh, very close.
You ready? Slow.
Oh, yes, there's the first one. Well done. Oh, second one. We're going well. We found it. Perfect. Good to see. Sorry. Oh, that one's gone. Oh, it's like a stumble. You're right there. That one's cracked. Unfortunately, you're right, Tia.
Sorry. You ready?
Oh, no. We're over halfway, girls.
Yes.
There we go. Coming up to that 10 seconds left, girls. You have 10 seconds left. You can keep going. Oh, no. We've lost some time. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Oh, no. You're right there. Oh, carnage with the eggs. You okay? Right, let's see how many the red team's got. We have 5 eggs. I don't know if it's enough to beat the blue team, but we're about to find out. Oh, we don't call it Method Madness for nothing, Drew. Lots of interesting things happen then. How'd your team go?
Lots of madness going about. Well, the blue team did well. They managed to score 5 eggs.
They managed to score 5 eggs. Well, the red team also did 5 eggs, which means both of our teams got 15 points. Well done.
Congratulations, teams. Very nice. Let's see what effect that has on the scoreboard. After catching some eggs, we now have the blue team on 20 points.
And still out in front, girls, the red team on 30 points. Well done. But it's not all over because we've got plenty more coming. Coming up next, we have the King Kong of all the challenges.
This will definitely put our teams to the ultimate test.
Stay tuned. The rat race is on its way.
For the rat race, it's good to be smart.
And it's also good to be quick.
And it helps to be able to see in the dark. Nicole?
The first players in the particle accelerator.
Get to grab the most bonus points to add to their score.
They're called status accelerators.
Quick, it's time to start the rat race. We've had some mess, we've had some madness, but you ain't seen nothing yet. Labrats, are you ready for the biggest challenge of them all?
Yeah.
Alrighty, Labyrinth, here we come. Woo!
Teams, what you see before you is the labyrinth. And to win today, you've got to race through the labyrinth and take out the rat race challenge, which, Nick, today is...
Well, we're using air cannons today, guys.
I love
which is very
air cannons.
exciting. And if you just want to wait till okay. That's actually not the challenge. You're not messing up my hair today. Thank you for that, Drew. So we are going to be knocking these targets. If I line it up a little bit. There we go.
That is why I love these things. How do they work?
The air cannon generates a vortex, which is kind of like a whirlpool of air. It just blows things over as it travels along.
Awesome, awesome.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? So, you guys have a tough challenge. You've got to get through the labyrinth. You need to successfully complete this, find your way through the maze, and then be the first team to get cheese. If they can do this, they'll win themselves a huge 30 points.
The rat race is the blue team's chance for a comeback. Girls, how are you feeling with this almighty challenge?
I'm feeling confident.
Yep, nervous.
Nervous but confident. It's a good way to feel. Use that nervous energy.
I think we can axe this.
You can axe this, all right. Well, with the air cannons, are you going to choose someone to aim and then to fire? Do you know who that's going to be?
I think you should aim.
Okay, I'll aim.
All right. Have you decided who's firing and who's aiming?
Not yet, but we'll decide.
Okay, well, you better be quick because the rat race is about to start.
It's shaping up to be a very close battle here at the Labyrinth. Girls, how are you all feeling?
Scared.
Scared, nervous, but excited, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. On your marks. Get set, go! All pads
They're making their way into the laser field, both coming out at the same time. Very
Keep going,
impressive.
Captain.
Blue team
Stand behind
heading through the
Helmet,
team.
that's it.
Red team, one stuck behind them. Blue team out in front. This is what they need to take it out. Emma, up the rope scramble, followed closely behind by Hayley. That's it. Keep moving, blue team. That's
Through the
it.
hole, through the hole. That's it.
Be careful. Blue team still right out in
Put that helmet
front.
straight back on.
Emma and Hayley getting the scramble up. That's it, girls. You need this. Keep going fast as you can. They're making their way up, heading towards the dark chamber now. Blue team was out in front. Let's see how they fare, though, when they get into the anti-vision chamber. Remember, we can see them, they can't see a thing.
Can't see.
Where are you?
Tia, I'm stuck. Where do I go? I don't know where it is.
Emma's mum's probably at home right now going, I can help her. I can help my baby. But it's just
There's
no
not
good.
much she can do from home.
Feel along the walls. There's one way. We're stuck. Hayley, we saw around. Wait, is it down? No. Have you found it? Oh
Oh, blue is so close.
no. There might be crawling somewhere.
Oh no,
Oh, no, hang on, I
the team
think
looks
she's-
like they're getting down. I think we might have it.
Hang on, just wait. It might be on the ground. Tia, I got it. It's in here. Follow me.
All right. Red team are out into the particle accelerator. Blue team
Here we go,
now out
Captain.
of the energy
Fantastic. I'll
chamber.
take that.
Down
Oh,
they come. Here
it's
comes
broken.
red team into the challenge area.
I'll have that.
Blue team
Thank
are grabbing
you.
that status accelerator, and red team is manning the cannons and firing.
But the last of the status accelerator points added to their score. Blue are on 35 and red are on 65.
Go, go, go. Red have one down, blue have none. Red now knocking 2 down.
We've got 2
Come
to go.
on.
Let's
Oh.
do it.
It's 2-1 so far.
Oh, beautiful. We've only got 2 left, girls.
Come on, Blues, that's it.
Oh, it's very close.
Red still have to knock down
we've only
2.
got 1
Red
to go.
now.
1 to go.
Come on, Blues, you can do this. Come on. Oh, that's it. 2 to knock down for the Blues. Come on.
Oh, you nearly
You can do this. Come on. Come on, Blue. You've got to get 2 more.
Yes, go through the maze. Go,
Red
go,
out.
go. Okay, wait, both up there. Get ready to be cheese. Go. Ah! Beautiful. Ah,
They're happy. They're competitive.
see you.
They scored the
Turn
30
around.
points. Congratulations, Red Team. The race is run, the cheese is spilt, with the Red Team picking up the 30 points. Congratulations, Red Team. But Nick,
well done, girls.
how does that leave our final scoreboard?
Well, status accelerator points. The red team picked up 35, so that would have helped you a lot. And the blue team, you picked up 15. So we don't know how this is going to affect that scoreboard. Why don't we check it out?
Only one way to find out. Let's take a look. We have the blue team on 35 points.
And the red team, 95 points, which makes you our champions today, girls. Well done. Well done, everybody. We caused lots of mess today.
We certainly have.
Thank you so much to everybody for playing. We hope you had fun.
And thank you for joining us. If you can handle the mayhem levels, you might want to join us in the lab next time. We'll see you then.
See you later.
Bye.